James playing with the baby crib.
happened.
James is playing with your baby crib. It's okay. Well, show James nicely how nice.
Be nice.
Show him nice. Hannah. Okay, go get it.
How grateful. I'm so grateful.
Did you get your bracelet? You want me?
Is that a bowl?
She gets it started so easy.
Next machine should be really big. Yeah, it was
Mhm.
4, 5. Yummy. You don't put the whole thing in your mouth, you will choke.
Take it out of your mouth.
Is that a hamburger? Ooh, yummy hamburger. Oh, you trying to throw it to me? Try again.
You took your earring off.
So we're all gonna go to the park tomorrow?
Yeah, because Mommy said no.
Why did you say no?
Because I fixed it like 30 times, and I told her to stop touching them.
Come here.
James!